Hey, welcome back. So today we are having another snow day, and the kids have been driving me absolutely insane, and they are having quiet time in their rooms. It's not actually very quiet, but at least they're in their rooms for now. So I'm taking a mental break, and I'm going to do a little TLC on this beautiful arrangement that's actually not so beautiful anymore. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I got these individual plants last October. So in the fall, what is it, February now? A couple months ago. Anyways, and I decided to pot them up because I wanted to get a start at making some like arrangements, or what do you call them? Like a, I can't think of it right now. Anyways, like not a collection, but a container. No. Anyways, I have this Dark Mystery Pilea. I need to know how to say it. And it's grown really leggy, and so I'm gonna try to pinch it back a little bit today. I thought we would just do it together. This is a really beautiful syngonium. I'm not sure which one, I kind of forget now, but it has new growth, and it's really, there's actually a couple on the inside that are starting to grow really well. Sorry for the lighting too. This is a really wonderful addition with lots of natural light, but when it's snowy outside, I can't do anything. We don't have any shades yet, so I need to buy some. Anyways, the syngonium is doing really great, and there's quite a few new blooms that are about to, well, not really blooms, but new leaves that are about to sprout. So anyways, with this Dark Mystery, I read that you can keep it lower and bushier if you just pinch off the top. So you have to make sure that you have a set of leaves at the bottom. So I've actually let this go a little bit longer than I really should have. And it's just like, as you can see, it's just not looking great. It's like really thin right there. That was the back side. It wasn't getting any natural light. And then like, it's just really sparse. So from a distance, it looks fine. Up close, it's just not cute. So anyways, what I'm gonna do, oh look, you can see, here's a brand new syngonium leaf. So what I'm gonna do, actually, everything that I've read, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just sharing this with you guys, and we're gonna just see how the experiment goes. So what I've read is wherever there at the top, wherever it's growing fresh, is where you wanna pinch it off. Because what it's gonna do, supposedly, is sprout additional stems and then leaves from those stems. So I don't really want to pinch them all off right now, because then I feel like the plant will look even worse, but I need to do some serious pruning to try to make it a little bit better. So I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna, there's quite a few in here that are doing something, so I don't know, I'm just gonna start kind of pinching, I guess. And that's what it said. It said it's such a soft, narrow, or soft, like gentle, delicate plant that it doesn't actually need a ton of force, so I don't need to use scissors. So it says, and it's coming off great. I have got little pinchers. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my head right here for you guys. I'm just using my fingernails to kind of pinch off whatever's happening right in the middle there, and it's really just this top, like top set of baby leaves, and I'm just trying to pinch them back, I guess, and we'll see what happens. But I really want this to be like fuller and bushier. It won't be great, it won't be as low as it was before, but I've also been reading up on how to propagate it. So if anyone has propagated one of these, let me know, because I think that's probably more realistically what I need to be doing, because they're so tall and leggy at this point. But these are like trimming off pretty well, I'd say. I'm gonna leave those. I'm gonna pinch that off. I don't know, I might totally be destroying this plant. So if you have this and you have kind of remedied the legginess, let me know what you did. Comment below, let me know what you did to make the plant like bush out more. And if I have totally destroyed this, send condolences my way. Like I said, I really just have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to take a break right now because someone came out of his room. So if anyone else has a brand new 5-year-old who won't listen to instructions, like go to your room and stay in your room, he always comes out, whether it's bedtime or nap time or quiet time or time out, he always comes out of his room. and I'm slowly losing my mind over it. If you've got any tips other than just the calm, go back to your room, I don't want to hear it because that's what I do, let me know. I feel like it's a phase, but it is testing me. So I'm just gonna, what do they say, immerse myself in my plants and see if that helps reduce my stress for the day. I think I pinched pretty good. I might pinch back. I'm gonna pinch this one. It's pretty big. I know you guys really couldn't see too much of what I did there, but let me see if I can move this down at all. It's not great, sorry. But here, these are all the leaves that I pinched off, a couple big ones, but then like over here, lots of tiny little ones. Ooh, okay, it's just a little dusty. Don't worry about it. So anyways, it's not looking much better right now, but I'm also going to, I've moved this away. It was in our bathroom, which had very little light, and I'm actually going to move it over here closer to all of the grow lights that we've brought out here in the living room, and just give it an extra little boost. I gave it a nice watering and I sprayed it down with neem oil just in case there were any kind of like, I don't know, gnats or anything, because in low light conditions I know that the soil can get kind of mucky. So anyways, I'm going to give it lots of new sun, and it's had a good drink already, and I treated it with some neem oil, or maybe not treated, but like preventative measures, and we're just going to give it a couple weeks, and then I'll let you all know how it's looking, and hopefully it will be a lot better. If not, and I've like totally destroyed the plant, then we'll go shopping for some new ones, because I've seen them at Lowe's already this spring. So all is not lost if I totally destroy this. I just thought after I like cleaned everything up and put it away, I was gonna throw all these clippings away, and then I realized, I wonder what would happen if I just put them in soil. So, because some of them had a pretty nice stem, so I literally just plopped them in some already damp soil, and I think I might get like a big plastic bag or a dome, maybe put them in the terrarium. Maybe I'm gonna put them in here, yeah, in the curio cabinet that I made into a terrarium. I moved the grow light, as you can see, right on the side here, and I put my lavender in there along with a pebble tray to try to increase the humidity. I'm hoping that lavender can go outside this summer, but anyways, I think I'll just put this in there, probably on a lower shelf, so it will get sunlight, but not a ton. And then, I don't know, we'll see if roots form. Who knows? Maybe I'm onto something. We'll find out. So thanks you guys for just, hanging out with me today. Hopefully everyone is having an awesome week so far, and I look forward to finding out what happens with this and sharing it with you. All right, have a good one. Bye.